Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us or you are hearing our voice for the first time, you know who we are already. Remember, in this platform, I promise you that I will be bringing you all the latest updates back to back. See, there is something that is going on that you need to hear about. Time without number, we always say this, and I said this platform is a platform whereby the truth, that is what we stand for, and the truth we always revealed is or herself. There is a video, a little clip about one of our brother, what he said. That is why I am coming to you today. Please, I want to listen to him before we analyze it more better.
May God continue to bless all of you. Remove the spirit of accusation on your fellow human without evidence. This is as a result of fake religion they brought in our land. Remember, they are the one that see in spirit. Holy Ghost minister to me. You are the one that caused my death, my downfall. Enemy died by fire. The reason why you are not progressing is because of that your uncle in the village is come by religion. That's why I'm a realist, and that is the reason why some religious fanatics will be so surprised that I don't want to attack anybody. Even the Autopilot, I've never accused them that the one that showed Nnamdi. Have you heard it from me before? I can't, because I have no evidence whatsoever. I was not there when it happened. So I can't tell you that it's a Simon, but because maybe I'm not comfortable with what they're doing, and I tell you it's him, I can't. I'll tell you it's made of him. I know fit. I have no evidence. That is the reason why Western world are growing. They try to practical evidence, practicality. They will show you, evidence. They tell you you are a criminal. This is why you're a criminal. Our own, you showed him how. Elohim minister to me because the way you are behaving, you don't want to talk, you don't want to speak. Since that time, you are either a master.
One impression I want to give to you is that don't generalize that when somebody see a spade and call it a spade.
Yes.
Don't say that the person is the other side. You understand?
You are correct.
I beg,
we
correct. All have conscience,
you are correct.
and we are all Biafrans.
You are correct.
So now, what I want to say again is this. What are the position of the IPOB in terms of the 2023 coming election? What are our position now?
Oh, no. Okay.
Are we going to vote for 2023? The other side now has taken a position. What is the position of IPOB now?
Which
mind the other side? the other side of Autopilot.
Oh, yeah, listen, brother. IPOB has been taught for how many years? If you are a member of IPOB and the ardent follower of Nnamdi Kanu, you know his stand.
Yes.
I'm coming. You know his stand. Nnamdi Kanu never supported Nigeria election. He have experimented it. Many of you don't know what he seeks and delivered. And I know as an IPOB member who have been following him, if you know the meaning of that, you should know that the man has given every opportunity. He have given so many people trial to see whether this thing can function, but it's not working. So the stand of IPOB, I don't want to say you are not, but every genuine IPOB know that we are not for any particular election. And they're asking what the woman. Actually, that statement, like our brother said, he said, the wife is the person that's supposed to know. Even if she's the one that are supposed to, I expect many of you to be lambasting initially, but it will become DOS. That question now you ask made me not to attack anybody. Immediately I hear that he has been adopted. I was listening from the wife. I said whether I will hear any this. And I didn't hear anything because I don't have that evil mind of attacking my own fellow being. I said, okay, there must be a reason. There must be a discussion. Something is going on between our leader and the wife. Who knows what is the plan? Who knows? You know, many of
You heard what our brother said. He said that he was even thinking that people should blast the wife of Nnamdi Kanu. He said that he was so surprised that people were not attacking the wife of Nnamdi Kanu, rather they were attacking DOS. But do you know that there are a lot of people at the initial stage that was asking that they want the wife of Nnamdi Kanu to come and speak? You see the reason why some people will say that people are attacking Nnamdi Kanu's wife. People are not attacking Nnamdi Kanu's wife, my brother. The first time that people were expecting, calling on the wife of Nnamdi Kanu to come and speak, she never speak. She never come out to express anything to anybody. But rather, her coming out was in a different angle, in the sense that she came out to start the attack first. And as soon as she came out, she came with saga, like attacking the autopilot, as you can call it, or as you can see. So why this thing generate to this extent is that they are also making false accusations, just like what you have said. There were a lot of accusations that the wife of Nnamdi Kanu laid out there that are not true. There is no evidence. I know very well, my brother, because you said that you don't want to attack anybody without that when there is no evidence. But do you know that that has been the author of the day? The purpose and the reason why people love Mazi Simon Ekpa is because of this attack. People are attacking him, and when you ask the people, bring the evidence, they cannot bring the evidence. And tomorrow they will start to insult you that people that followed Mazi Simon Ekpa, they don't know what they are doing. People that follow Mazi Simon Ekpa, they don't have brain. But now, my brother, you will agree with me that the purpose, all the procedure, all the process, all the reasons why people are listening or follow Mazi Simon Ekpa is just the simple reason. They are attacking him without no reasons. They are attacking him without no cause. They are attacking him without no tangible evidence. So seeing being that they can't give us the evidence, we choose to follow Mazi Simon Ekpa because we assume that whatever he says is right. Because when the other people accuse him and we tell them, please bring the evidence, believe me, my brother, they cannot bring out any evidence. Okay? And when you come to me, you say someone is not good, someone is bad, you start attacking the person. This person is a criminal, is this, is that. Simon Ekpa is this, is that. And at the end of the day, we told them simple thing. Please, can you give us the evidence? For us to know that of a truth, all these things that you are saying, this person is guilty. But do you know that in date, as I'm talking to you, they cannot bring those evidence. So my brother, what you have said is truth. I still want you to pass this message to everyone, even those people that are calling parasite, this is that. If not that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife came to bring all these type of names that trigger the wrath of the people, or the anger of the people, or that make social media right now is unbearable, looking at the Biafra agitation, looking at the Biafras that they are fighting themselves, the wife of Nnamdi Kanu was the cause. She brought all these names out. She brought all these things out again. This second phrase of this attack that happened, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife brought everything to the table, of which it was supposed to be. So, my brother, I really appreciate you for this, your words. I appreciate you for what you said. You said the perfect truth. I am telling you, you said the perfect truth, and I am grateful. You don't need to attack Mazi Simon Ekpa because you don't know, because you don't have any evidence against him. That is the key point. So, thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. I really do appreciate. Please do well to like this video, share, and subscribe. Thank you. From me to you from here, I said bye.